Hello, welcome to the Toys channel. Today we have another video for you. And look at that, that is a gigantic, humongous egg with Play-Doh. It's a surprise egg, so I'm really curious. It's completely covered with Play-Doh, as you can see, fingerprints there. And I'm really curious what's in there. Alright, if you are curious too, then stick around. Oh, there we go. There's probably loads of Play-Doh boxes in there. That is absolutely ginormous. I don't even know how to open it. Maybe twist. Maybe pull. Oh, there we go. Oh, something brown in a bag. What is it? It is a big turd pillow. A turd pillow with a face. How delightful. Alright, let's take it out of the bag. Oh. It is literally a turd pillow shape with a smiley. Very cute. Yeah, everybody knows what this is. I think it's a real famous thing. In the surprise egg. Really cool. Really cool. It's quite big, but the surprise egg was quite big as well, so that makes sense. But yeah, I didn't know they made these pillows, but here you go. Living proof here. Very cool. And very cute at the same time. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please give us a comment down below what you think of this. If you've got any questions, please write them down below as well, and we're happy to reply and answer to them. Yeah, subscribe to our channel down below for free and always be the first one to be informed about new videos. We have loads more videos for you regarding toys as well. Things about baths, Play-Doh, unboxing of certain toy boxes like Barbie, frozen ideas, you name it. So I'd say have a look on our channel and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you soon next time at the Toys channel. Have a good day. Bye.